Does AI work like the human brain? Is it similar?
No, not at all. Um, this whole thing, it started from, neural networks,
Yeah.
and when they were developing these first machine learning algorithms, and they called them neural networks, and everybody's like, oh, it's like the human brain. Nothing like the human brain. It's a misnomer.
Mm.
Now, with AI and artificial intelligence, we always draw these, mechanical brains and these things. Again, it's not working like this. AI and chat-gpt in particular, LLMs, they work in a probabilistic manner, and every subsequent word has some probability to be spat out.
Mm.
And um, in the end, it produces some text, but not in the way humans think. Another important point is, how do we learn and how does our AI learn? I
Mm.
think about this quite a lot, but the main difference between the human brain and the artificial intelligence is, AI, you give it some training data, and you say, this is correct or this is incorrect, this is good, this is bad, and is this reinforcement
Mm-hmm.
learning methods are used, while the human brain learns from other humans, past experiences. We have long-term memory. We make a mistake and we learn. You touch the hot stove and I should never touch the hot stove again. An AI doesn't know this.
Mm.
AI makes an error and they do not get feedback from the environment around it unless we give them feedback, right?
Mm-hmm.
So a human can learn in many many ways, which are not only um, reinforcement,
Mm.
meaning this good, this bad, but you have so many other facets to it. So yeah, nothing in common. AI and human brain, very different, and they will continue to be.
If we evolve AI to the stage where it can look at video, it can interact with different things. For example, if it starts understanding trees and the way trees communicate, because they also communicate, we know that from science. Would we then be able to say that yes, it's becoming more similar to the human brain? Is it a limitation because of like how
So it's a question.
simple it is at this stage, or
It's a question of, I'm not sure if you're asking whether it works like the human brain,
hmm
or if it can achieve the same things as.
yeah, that's a good distinction. I am wondering if it works like the human brain. So if we code data in a specific way, would it be able to learn like we learn? If we make all the data more accessible to the AI,
No, like
no?
it's just a dumb concept. Why? Because humans are extremely in inefficient in the bodies that we have, the 3D
Mm.
bodies that we have. um uh, Imagine, like, I don't know, if we want to jump higher, there's so many animals that jump higher. If we want to run faster, if we want to have more stamina, our bodies are really really bad for so many of the tasks that we're doing. The best things that we can do is think
Mm-hmm.
and use hands and tools,
Mm-hmm.
basically. And we're revolving everything in humanity around this ability to use tools. And yeah, so in this way, if we're making an artificial brain look perceive the world like a human, they will be inefficient in every way humans are.
Mm.
And it doesn't make any sense to do it like this. If you've seen the Boston Dynamics robots, um, they're these dogs which
Yeah.
are tiny, very agile, and so on. This is how robots should look like, and not like humans,
Mm.
because I don't know. You want to use a robot for war? Use a drone. It flies and it's small.
Yeah.
Don't make a human.
Yeah.
Why would you?
Mm.
And yeah, in the same way, for many many things, it doesn't make sense for an AI to work like the human brain.
Or to want it to work like the human brain.
Yeah,